Work has shifted from a destination to a continuous action. We no longer just sit at a desk in a physical office, answer emails at the kitchen table, review documents in transit, and join meetings from coffee shops. As the physical office fades away, the traditional systems that protected it, the guards, the badges, the locked server rooms, disappear with it. The entire security perimeter of your organization now sits inside the device in your pocket. This accessibility creates a specific vulnerability. A single mobile device provides direct entry to company financial data, sensitive customer information, and your own personal accounts. This diagram illustrates the scale of that risk. A single tiny node, your phone or tablet, functions as the entry point to a massive, interconnected corporate data architecture. The small physical size of the device masks the enormous volume of data it can expose. Safeguarding the organization requires a shift in focus. We are no longer guarding a building. We are securing the mobile devices we carry everywhere. A secure routine begins with the hardware. You must ensure that if your device is lost or left unattended, the physical data remains inaccessible to anyone else. This requires enabling biometric logins, like fingerprint or facial recognition, backed by a strong passcode. Setting a short auto-lock timer ensures the screen shields itself the moment you step away. Beyond hardware, you must manage how you handle information. Keeping company data strictly inside approved work applications ensures that sensitive files stay within a monitored, secure environment. Software updates serve a mechanical purpose in this defense. Developers constantly find vulnerabilities in app code, and when you download an update, a patch is applied. An exposed gap in the code is precisely filled and sealed against potential exploits. A physically locked device and fully updated software form the baseline requirement. These steps must be in place before you handle any professional data. Working from a cafe, an airport, or a hotel moves your device into a high-risk digital zone. In these spaces, you are operating on infrastructure you do not control. Public spaces are often targeted with rogue Wi-Fi hotspots. Attackers broadcast network names mimicking legitimate businesses, tricking your device into connecting with their hardware. Open networks frequently lack encryption. This means any data you transmit, from passwords to private files, is broadcast as raw, readable text to anyone monitoring the local connection. This visualization shows the mechanics of a data interception. As information packets move along an unsecured line toward a router, an unauthorized third node can easily clone and pull that sensitive data away while it is in transit. You can neutralize this threat by using cellular data or a virtual private network. A VPN creates an encrypted tunnel around your data packets, causing interception attempts to bounce off and fail. Because external infrastructure is untrustworthy, hybrid work requires you to actively construct your own secure network environment wherever you go. Security also involves managing a constant influx of communication. During a busy workday, the desire for speed can often lead to a lapse in caution. Attackers use social engineering tactics specifically designed for mobile users. They exploit small screen sizes, which hide sender details, and use notification fatigue to provoke a rushed, unthinking tap. These threats arrive through SMS phishing, direct messages, and malicious QR codes. They often use high-pressure language like urgent action required to bypass typical judgment. When you encounter an unexpected link or a strange request, follow a strict response protocol. Pause to evaluate the message, check the sender's identity, and report it to security. While software can catch many threats, your critical judgment remains the final and most important layer of digital defense. To understand the importance of these habits, we have to look at the entire dispersed workforce at once. A hybrid workforce operates as a single, interconnected digital ecosystem. Every remote device, regardless of location, links back to the same central infrastructure. This connectivity creates systemic risk. If a single device is breached, infection travels along network lines, compromising the central hub and connected nodes. However, consistent security creates the opposite effect. When users follow protocol, the network establishes an impenetrable barrier, blocking the spread and keeping everyone safe. Maintaining secure mobile habits is a shared cultural responsibility. When you stay vigilant with your device, you are actively protecting the entire team.